Hello everyone, welcome back to Craftgenic. In this video, I'm going to make easy and unique Teacher's Day card using popsicle sticks. You can use this card for any occasion to send your lovely messages to your loved ones. Get some popsicle sticks from your favorite color. Here I have got 10 sticks for my card. Get the dimensions since we have to cut two rectangles with these dimensions. Measure the width of one popsicle stick and mark this dimension as I am doing here. Here I am marking the lines using embossing tool. Okay, now you can write your lovely message here. And you can decorate the paper as you prefer. As I mentioned earlier, you can use this card for any occasion. What you have to do is just change the message as the occasion. So, we can write two messages in two papers we cut. Okay, let's go back to the popsicle sticks. Keep a weight so that the popsicle sticks will not move. Here I am using double-sided tapes. And paste one paper as I'm doing here. And paste the second paper to the other side. Now separate the paper using a paper cutter as I'm doing here. Make sure to leave one gap between two cuts. As you can see, in this side we started with the first one. Therefore, for the next side we can start with the second one. Repeat the same steps for this side also. And carefully fold the popsicle sticks as I'm doing here. Hope you enjoyed our video. So give a like, comment and share with your friends. And also don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notification for more videos like this.